Okay, let's begin. For this sample, I have 9 stitches cast on my size 11 needles, and this is going to be your right side, your knit side. You can see this and you can tell by the V shape and the fabric. So once you have cast on your stitches, you begin by knitting the first row. So this is row 1, and it's going to be knitted across every single stitch. You're going to knit, and I have a tutorial in the description below for the knit stitch, for slip knot, and how to cast on. So you get to the end of the row, and you turn your work, and now your work is on the purl size, and you can tell it's a purl side because you have these raised bumps that indicate that this is your purl side. So you're going to purl every stitch across the row. And I have a tutorial for the purl stitch as well in the description below. So by repeating these two stitches, these two rows, row 1, knit every stitch, row 2, purl every stitch, you will have the stockinette stitch. There it is. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe, click like, leave a comment, and view our other video tutorials on knitting stitches, patterns, and projects. Have a great day. Bye.